a land of epic landscapes, thrilling adventures, and rich Maori culture. From the snow-capped peaks of the Southern Alps to the geothermal wonders of Rotorua, every corner of this island nation feels like a scene from a fantasy film. Hike through emerald forests, kayak in crystal-clear fjords, or bungee jump off towering cliffs. The adrenaline is real, and the beauty is unforgettable. In cities like Auckland and Wellington, modern charm meets deep-rooted tradition. New Zealand is located in the southwestern Pacific Ocean. It is made up of two main islands, the North Island and the South Island. The indigenous people of New Zealand are the Maori. The Maori name for New Zealand is Aotearoa, meaning land of the long white cloud. English, Maori, and New Zealand Sign Language are the official languages. The capital city of New Zealand is Wellington. Auckland is the largest city in the country. New Zealand has a population of about 5 million people. It is known for its stunning natural landscapes. New Zealand is a constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary democracy. The current monarch is King Charles III. The country's prime minister leads the government. New Zealand was the first country to give women the right to vote in 1893. The currency is the New Zealand dollar. The national sport is rugby. The All Blacks are the national rugby union team. The haka, a traditional Maori dance, is often performed before rugby matches. New Zealand is located on the Ring of Fire and experiences frequent seismic activity. It has over 50 volcanoes. Lake Taupo is the largest lake in New Zealand. Mount Cook, or Ioraki, is the highest mountain. Fiordland National Park features dramatic fjords and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. New Zealand has no native land mammals except for bats. The kiwi is a flightless bird and national symbol. Other native birds include the kea, tui, and kakapo. The country has strict biosecurity laws to protect its unique ecosystem. Agriculture, tourism, and forestry are major industries. It is a major exporter of dairy products. The Lord of the Rings and the Hobbit trilogies were filmed in New Zealand. Wellington is sometimes called Wellywood due to its film industry. New Zealand has a strong environmental conservation ethic. About 30% of the country is protected land. It has many hot springs and geothermal areas, especially around Rotorua. The Waitomo Caves are famous for their glowworms. The Southern Alps run along the South Island. Queenstown is known as the adventure capital of the world. Bungee jumping was popularized in New Zealand. Milford Sound is a top tourist destination. Wine is produced in regions like Marlborough and Central Otago. The Treaty of Waitangi was signed in 1840 between Maori chiefs and the British Crown. New Zealand has a bicultural national identity. The education system includes free primary and secondary schooling. Healthcare is publicly funded and available to residents. New Zealanders are often called Kiwis. The climate is generally temperate. The North Island is warmer and more volcanic. The South Island has more dramatic mountains and fjords. Sheep outnumber humans roughly 5 to 1. The pavlova is a popular dessert claimed by both New Zealand and Australia. Hokey pokey ice cream is a local favorite. Fish and chips are a staple fast food. The legal driving age is 16. New Zealanders drive on the left side of the road. It is one of the least corrupt countries in the world. Voting is not compulsory. New Zealand is part of the Commonwealth of Nations. It has a high rate of renewable energy use. Hydropower and geothermal are key energy sources. The Southern Cross constellation is on the national flag. There are no snakes in the wild in New Zealand. There is a significant Polynesian population, especially in Auckland. It is home to the world's smallest dolphin, the Hector's dolphin. There are more golf courses per capita than almost anywhere else. Stewart Island is the third largest island. The Franz Josef and Fox glaciers are major tourist attractions. The legal drinking age is 18. New Zealand has one of the highest rates of pet ownership in the world. Sir Edmund Hillary, the first person to summit Everest, was a New Zealander. The Southern Hemisphere's largest dark sky reserve is in New Zealand. The national bird, the kiwi, is nocturnal. The Weta Workshop is a renowned special effects company based in Wellington. The Beehive is the nickname for the executive wing of the Parliament buildings. The Inter-Island Ferry connects Wellington and Picton. The country is part of the Pacific Rim. New Zealand is about the same size as the United Kingdom. It gained full statutory independence from Britain in 1947. The internet domain for New Zealand is NZ. It is one of the most popular destinations for working holiday visas. The Maori language is taught in many schools. Air New Zealand is the national airline. If you like the video, we'll share it with your friends and family members on WhatsApp and Facebook wall. I encourage you to like this video too, or did you know that you will meet your friends through the video till then?